Maroon University of Houston have been working together for the last several years to provide pervasive Wi-Fi coverage across their campus. But things have changed, and over time, in talking with the campus about their student experience and about the administrative experience, they're realizing now that it's more about capacity than mere coverage. And that's because of a number of reasons, but most prevalently is what we call the BYOD phenomenon. And that means that students, administration, staff, guests, they're all showing up on campus with more and more devices. There's the laptop, tablet, smartphone in the purse or backpack. The students may kick off a peer-to-peer download while at the same time checking out a lecture for a flipped classroom, and the demands on the network and on the IT staff that supports it are higher than they've ever been before. So we're excited to be partnering with the University of Houston to provide a new technology, 802.11ac, which offers the promise of gigabit connectivity to help meet the capacity and bandwidth needs of today's students.
We were in the process of doing AP performance testing, 832, our new 11AC AP, when we heard about this opportunity to participate in the POC. So we then customized our test cases to match the use cases that we anticipated out at the Satellite Center. So we started with doing single client throughput test, and then moving on to multi-client throughput test. That would be for single AP and multi-AP. And then we started adding video, multicast video streaming over HTTP, like what you would see with Hulu or Netflix. In addition to that, we introduced Adobe Connect, so we could do video conferencing, as well as FaceTime video conferencing. We did stationary tests and roaming tests, and we did scalability tests.
We are going to share the best practice which we have learned from this exercise with University of Houston to fine-tune their network, and it will also help us fine-tune or incorporate these findings into our best practice and design guides for all of our customers.
David Johnson really has a fantastic approach, and I think unique and maybe one of the first to have thought through what it will take to migrate the classrooms, the living spaces, to this new all-wireless campus. And what that means is he's evaluated the needs on campus. Where are the users coming together, aggregating? Where is the use of digital and mobile technology heaviest? And in those areas, how can we start migrating first to the new technology that can handle not just coverage, but the capacity and bandwidth needs to meet student and faculty expectation. And I think others could benefit from talking to David, learning from his strategy, his implementation, and of course following this experiment that we're doing together as partners to see how it goes, what he's learning through the process, and then we all benefit in the end.